Hello, everyone, and welcome to Easy Story Studio. Today, we have a wonderful news story for you. It is called Sarah, the Great Animal Vet. In this story, we will learn about a very kind woman who helps sick animals. Are you ready to listen and practice your English? Let's begin. This is a woman named Sarah. Sarah is 30 years old. She is a very good vet. Sarah loves all animals very much. She lives in a small, quiet town. She has a big green clinic. Today is a busy Monday morning. The sun shines in the blue sky. Sarah wakes up very early today. She gets out of her comfortable bed. She puts on her blue work clothes. She eats a healthy breakfast quickly. Sarah drives to her animal clinic. She drives a small white car. The drive is very short today. She unlocks the big glass door. She turns on the bright lights inside. The clinic is very clean and white. Her assistant arrives at the clinic too. His name is John. John is a very kind young man. "Good morning, Dr. Sarah," says John. "Good morning, John," says happy Sarah. "We have many sick animals today." The first animal comes into the room. It is a small brown dog. The dog is named Max. Max walks with a bad limp. His back leg hurts very much. He looks very sad and scared. A tall man brings Max inside. The man is Max's worried owner. "Please help my poor dog," he says. Sarah puts Max on a silver table. She talks to him in a soft voice. She touches his brown head gently. She looks at Max's back leg carefully. She feels the hard bones with her hands. Max does not cry or bark at her. "His leg is not broken," says Sarah. "He has a small cut on his foot." She shows the cut to the man. Sarah cleans the small cut with water. She puts some white medicine on it. She puts a green bandage on the foot. Max wags his short brown tail. He feels much better right now. The tall man smiles a big smile. "Thank you, Dr. Sarah," says the man. "You are very welcome," says Sarah. Max and the man walk away happily. Next, a woman comes into the clinic. She carries a small blue box. There is a black cat inside the box. The cat's name is Luna. Luna makes a loud meow sound. She does not like the blue box. "Luna has a bad ear," says the woman. "She scratches her ear all day." Sarah opens the small blue box. Luna jumps out onto the silver table. She is a very beautiful black cat. She has bright yellow eyes. Sarah looks inside Luna's left ear. She uses a small light to see better. The ear is very red and dirty inside. "She has small bugs in her ear," says Sarah. "They are called ear mites." The woman looks very worried now. "Do not worry," says the kind vet. "I have good medicine for ear mites." Sarah cleans the cat's ear carefully. She puts liquid medicine in the ear. Luna shakes her black head fast. The medicine will kill the small bugs. Sarah gives a small bottle to the woman. "Put this in her ear every day," she says. The woman takes the small white bottle. Luna goes back into the blue box. She is a very brave little cat. They go home to rest today. It is 12 o'clock in the afternoon now. It is time for a lunch break. Sarah and John sit in the back room. Sarah eats a fresh green salad. John eats a big turkey sandwich. They drink cold water with ice. They talk about the sick animals. They like helping dogs and cats. They are a very good team. After lunch, the clinic telephone rings loudly. John answers the loud telephone quickly. He listens to a man talk fast. John looks at Dr. Sarah with big eyes. "It is Farmer Tom," says John. "He has a very sick cow." Sarah stands up from her chair. "I must go to the farm," she says. She takes her big black medical bag. She walks outside to her white car. She puts the heavy bag inside. She drives out of the small town. The drive to the farm is very beautiful. She sees many tall green trees. She sees yellow flowers in the grass. She arrives at the big red farm. Farmer Tom is waiting by the gate. He wears a dirty brown hat. "Thank you for coming," says Farmer Tom. "My best cow is very sick." Sarah follows the man to the barn.
The barn is very big and dark. It smells like dry yellow hay. The sick cow is lying on the ground. The cow is black and white. She is breathing very fast and loud. She looks very weak and tired. Sarah opens her big black medical bag. She takes out a silver stethoscope. She puts it in her 2 ears. She listens to the cow's big heart. She listens to the cow's big lungs. The heart beats very fast today. Sarah takes the cow's temperature with a thermometer. The cow has a very high fever. She is a very sick animal. "She has an infection," says Dr. Sarah. "I will give her a strong injection." She prepares a big needle with medicine. She gives the injection to the cow. The cow does not move at all. She is too tired to move now. "She needs a lot of water," says Sarah. "She will be better in 2 days." Farmer Tom looks very happy again. "Thank you, Dr. Sarah," he says. "You are the best vet in town." Sarah smiles and washes her hands clean. She drives back to her small clinic. The sun is lower in the sky now. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. John is waiting at the front desk. "We have one more patient," he says. "It is a small white rabbit." A young girl holds the white rabbit. The girl is crying soft tears. The rabbit has very long white ears.
"My rabbit will not eat his carrots," she says. "His name is Snowball." Sarah takes Snowball from the young girl. She puts Snowball on the silver table. She looks at the rabbit's small mouth. She opens the mouth very carefully. She sees a very long white tooth. The tooth hurts the rabbit's pink mouth. Rabbits need short teeth to eat food. "His tooth is too long," says Sarah. "I need to cut it short." The little girl watches the vet work. Sarah uses a special small tool. She cuts the long tooth very quickly. Snowball does not feel any bad pain. Sarah gives Snowball a small orange carrot. Snowball eats the orange carrot very fast. He is very hungry and happy now. The little girl stops crying immediately. She smiles and hugs her white rabbit. She says thank you to Dr. Sarah. The clinic is finally empty now. The long, busy day is almost over. Sarah and John clean the silver tables. Suddenly, they hear a small noise outside. John opens the front door slowly. He looks at the dark ground. He sees a very small brown bird. The bird has a broken little wing. It cannot fly in the sky. John brings the bird to Dr. Sarah. Sarah takes a small cardboard box. She puts soft tissues inside the box. She puts the bird in the warm box. The bird will stay in the clinic tonight. She will fix the wing tomorrow morning. They wash the floors with warm water. They turn off the bright overhead lights. They lock the big glass door. "Good night, John," says tired Dr. Sarah. "Good night, Dr. Sarah," says kind John. They walk to their cars in the dark. Sarah drives back to her quiet house. The sky is dark and black now. She sees the bright white moon. She opens the door to her house. She hears a happy barking sound. She has a dog of her own. Her dog is a big golden retriever. His name is Charlie. Charlie wags his long golden tail.
Sarah hugs her big, happy dog. She gives him his dry dog food. Charlie eats his dinner very fast. Sarah makes a hot dinner for herself. She cooks fresh pasta and red tomatoes. She eats her dinner at the table. She sits on her soft, comfortable sofa. Charlie sits on the floor near her. She reads a book about wild animals. She is very tired after her long day, but she is also very, very happy. She loves her important job very much. She likes helping sick dogs and cats. She likes visiting the big red farms. She is a true animal hero. Tomorrow will be a new busy day. More animals will need her kind help. She will be ready for them tomorrow. Sarah turns off the bright living room light. She walks to her quiet, dark bedroom. She puts on her soft pajamas. She gets into her very warm bed. Charlie sleeps on the floor near the bed. The house is completely quiet and still. Sarah closes her tired brown eyes. She thinks about the happy little girl. She thinks about the hungry white rabbit. She falls asleep very fast tonight. She dreams about a world of healthy animals. It was a very perfect Monday.
What a beautiful, busy day for Dr. Sarah. Thank you for listening and learning with Easy Story Studio. What is your favorite animal? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.